When I was younger, I took an interest in horticulture, and that brought me to Greenmount, where I studied amenity horticulture. Within that, there was a lot of different sectors that you could go into, and we did a class in garden design, and I took a real interest in it, and when I graduated I was given the opportunity with Atchison and Glover to pursue that. Because I am working with the design team and with the recommended installers, every day is different. So one day I could be in here drawing up a 2D design, or I could be out on site with the installers, or I could be working with marketing, promoting the installers' work on Facebook and social media platforms. So every day is not the same.